After the BCom, the students are having a dilemma that what are the courses they have to choose for their career. So I would like to tell about MCom. If you choose a MCom, the students have a wide variety of opportunities. So the students are still thinking that if they take up the MCom course, they'll be getting into teaching profession. It's a wrong idea. The students will be having a better and the wide variety of the opportunity if you choose an MCom. So MCom, if you taken at a particular course after your BCom, you can go for the teaching or you can get into a corporate world also. So myself, Dr. Dakshayani, Head of the Commerce Department at Nagarjuna Degree College. Welcome you all for the Master Degree Program in Commerce at Nagarjuna Degree College. Perfect and uniqueness could be the words that define us. MCom course at Nagarjuna aims at providing hands-on experience to the students. In addition to the regular curriculum, we are also providing advanced certificate courses and also the career orientation programs that is highly beneficial for the students. We have also arranged a life skill enhancement programs to the students. It brings wholesome personality, and also so we have provided the internship programs to them, to the students, as well as we are giving an opportunity for the students to do the internships in various companies, and also we are taking them for the industrial visits which helps the students to connect with the corporate world. So research is given a due importance at Nagarjuna. Students are guided by the experts to do the live projects, helps in paper presentations both in national as well as international conferences. Most of our students have been placed in well-reputed companies. Our MCom final year students have achieved very good results by securing distinction marks in all the subjects, and they have bagged many cash prizes, gold and silver medals in quiz competition, paper presentation across India. I am happy to say that our students have taken an initiative to fight against COVID-19 and also joined their hands to create awareness to the public. On the whole, MCom at Nagarjuna Degree College is a very great and happy experience. Thank you.